over the horizon.
परखता रहा उम्र भर मैं ताकत दुआओं की, दंग रह गया देखकर ताकत दुआओं की। मीन्स दुआ में इतना असर होता है दैट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू डाई, इफ़ यू आर लीविंग योर लास्ट ब्रेथ, इफ़ ही वॉन्ट्स, इफ़ अल्लाह वॉन्ट्स, so by your blessings of your parents, of your friends, of your relatives, you can save and create a new life. I'm a student of Matrix Academy and study in 12th standard, known as the soldier of English world. So friends, today I'm really very excited to telling you something about a very interesting topic, as you all know very well, about that passion. Passion means the thing, your dedication is very important in everything. Whatever you're going to do, you are creating something in your life, you're going to get success, you're doing anything, you're working for your goal, everything depends on your passion. Because your passion decides your goal, your passion decides your career, your passion decides the way of your life. Means whenever you're going to start any work, so first you need passion to start that work. First thing is this, that हम end तक नहीं जाते. दूसरी बात यह है कि हम start ही नहीं करते. So we have to create a step to go ahead in our life, because whenever we are just creating anything in our life, so we have to take a step, then we have to go ahead, which is going to be very amazing for all of us. Here I want to say that जो पसीने की स्याही से लिखते हैं अपने इरादों को, जो पसीने की स्याही से लिखते हैं अपने इरादों को, उनके मुकद्दर के पन्ने कभी सफ़ेद नहीं रहते. Because if you want to be a successful person, so first you need to be a very good person. A good person can change this world. Means educated person is a good person. A successful person is a good person. And if you want to be a good person, so you need to know from everybody who are around you that they are calling you a good person only. Getting success is not getting money. It means not that getting fame. It means not that your name is going round over the world. It means the person living with you, they should call you a very good person. That's called the success. Okay, everyone in this world who is living still their life, they're depending on money, right? They think my success is my money. They think my familiarity is my money. They think that if I'm famous, so I am successful. But no, you're totally wrong here. Means your money doesn't create your success. Your familiarity doesn't create your success. Your abilities, your honesty, your goodness, your goodwills, these kinds of things are very important for getting a successful person, to be a successful person in your life. Right guys, passion is the thing which is very important in every part of your success, because the person is going to get success, the person is running on the way of success, he is searching the way of his success. He need passion first, he need dedication first. As we all are sitting here right now, we all have passion to do something, we all have attitude to do something, we all have abilities, specialties to do something in our life that will create itself, will do good in our life with the guidance of Father Rahman sir. Right guys, you need passion. To grow that passion and make you successful, Athar sir is present there. One more thing is very important in your life, taking peoples with you. Taking peoples with you. लोगों को अपने साथ लेकर चलना. This is a very big and huge power of yourself. Because if you're not taking peoples around you, if you're not having peoples with you, so who will give you blessings? Who will say to you that just go ahead? Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can go ahead. You can mention this. So we need people around us as our family members, our friends, our teachers, our many relatives, these kinds of. As परखता रहा उम्र भर ताकत दुआओं की, परखता रहा उम्र भर मैं ताकत दुआओं की, दंग रह गया देखकर ताकत दुआओं की. मीन्स दुआ में इतना असर होता है that if you are going to die, if you're leaving your last breath, if he wants, if Allah wants, so by your blessings of your parents, of your friends, of your relatives, you can save and create a new life. right? In this way, we need one more passion also, means passion to create peoples with ourselves, passion to making people very inspirable from us, very motivated from us. If you are going on the way, so the person will see you and he will only remember one thing, that he is a really great person, as you all need to be in your life. I think that is your real success. I think your parents will be proudable that time when the person will come to them and he will say that your children, your son, your daughter is very amazing or great person. That will be the greatest day for your parents. That's called your passion for your success. Getting success, getting money, getting familiarity, getting your goal to be a doctor, this is a normal part of your success. But the actual meaning of getting success is to be a great person. That APJ Abdul Kalam had mentioned this in his life, that जब हम पैदा हुए थे तो सिर्फ हम रो रहे थे और दुनिया वाले जश्न मना रहे थे. तो कुछ ऐसा कर जाओ कि जब भी तुम मरो तो पूरी दुनिया रोए और तुम जश्न मनाओ. Means we have to make our personality as a person that is very amazing for all of the peoples. Everybody will respect you, give you value from his heart, give you respect from the bottom of his heart. That's the thing, that's the reality of success. And the greater persons always do this. Our Gandhiji, APJ Abdul Kalam, Bill Gates, all these are very familiar person. They all are very rich, but with that, they are also very good persons, right? To be a successful person, you need to be a good person. This is the thought said by my teacher, my superhero, my Mr. Athar Rahman sir. He said that if you want to be a successful person, so first try to be a very good person. At last, I would say only one thing, that if you want to do anything in life, if you want to be a doctor, engineer, whatever you want to be, create passion in yourself, create dedication in yourself. Because without these things, without dedication, without passion, it's impossible. You can try again and again, whole the life you would try, but you will not get anything. If you don't have passion, if you don't have dedication. With dedication, you need a good guidance. That if you are going towards anywhere on a wrong line, so the person will guide you in a right way. They will teach you the right way, that yes, you have left your track and you are going in a wrong way, so come back. Setback का जवाब come back से देना चाहिए. Always remember this thing, that setback का जवाब हमें come back से देना चाहिए. If you are fail, you have been fail. If you have been fail, so you need to come back. That is the success, right? So try to keep these things in your mind, and I'm very thankful to Athar Rahman sir and all of my friends sitting here to support me always, to give me the compatibility that I can do something, that I am here something, that I am present to do something for you all, that I am a very good person. This is only possible because of you all, because of your all guidance, your supports, your competition. This creates something fire in ourselves. So please remember this, that create passion, dedication and be a good person, means you are going to be very successful person. Thank you so much.